Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on Instagram. So for this, all you need to do is go for plus icon. Then if I choose the picture, then go for next. Again, go for next. And you can see here an option as tag people. So you have to go here and just write the name of that person. Okay, then you can another way you can add keeper. So go for add the rate and write that person's name. So okay, if I go for this people again, then uh, go for just check, and now you can uh, share this post from here. So this is how you can tag someone on Instagram. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.